Rigeza. Soluções em embalagem Midwest Vehicle.
With more than 60 years of experience in the packaging business, Rigeza has worked continuously to offer innovative solutions to its clients. Personalized packaging that protect and preserve products, as well as increase transportation and transfer efficiency. Rigeza is a subsidiary of the North American group Midwest Vehicle, which operates in 29 countries and has clients in approximately 100 different nations. In Brazil, Rigeza owns 2 paper mills, 5 corrugated packaging plants, and 2 folding carton packaging plants strategically located in different states throughout the country. Now let's talk about the 1,000-liter recyclable container. The container is made of high-strength corrugated cardboard. It is 100% recyclable and is ideal for storage and transportation of non-hazardous liquid or paste products. Its octagonal structure ensures greater strength as each of the 8 sides work as support columns. It is designed to support a weight of 1,500 kilos when stacked. In addition, it offers gains in operation, storage space, moving, and transportation. See how it compares to other containers. Rigeza's packaging is able to support 1,000 liters of a given product, while 4 conventional metal barrels can store only 800 liters, occupying the same amount of space. Additionally, Rigeza's 1,000-liter recyclable container is a one-way, no-return package. This eliminates washing, maintenance, and management typically needed with conventional package systems, as well as backhaul freight expenses. It offers significant space reduction in the storage of empty containers because it comes unassembled. In the small space of approximately 5 cubic meters, it is possible to store 40 1,000-liter plastic containers, or the equivalent of 200 metal barrels. Strength is also an important characteristic of Rigeza's 1,000-liter containers. At Satea, one of the most recognized centers for packaging technology in Latin America, the packages undergo testing according to international standards to simulate adverse road and ocean transport conditions. In addition to its efficiency and safety, the recyclable container is also practical and easy to use. We will now take you through the step-by-step assembly and utilization instructions. Receiving and storage. The corrugated packaging and plastic bags arrive palletized and do not require much space for storage. Always keep the packaging stored in a dry place, and they should remain on the original pallet until they are going to be used. Assembly. Before assembly, the following materials are necessary. 8-sided body. A complete set of the box's lid and base. A 1,000-liter plastic bag compatible with the product to be packaged and which should be purchased from a plastic bag manufacturer. A reforested hardwood pallet with the same dimensions of the base of the container. This pallet must have wide slats that are at least 21 millimeters thick, with a maximum space of 50 millimeters between slats. 16 millimeter polyester banding material. Strapping equipment. Pay particular attention during the initial setup and assembly of the container. Watches, rings, and other objects that may puncture the plastic bag should not be worn. To begin assembly, place the base of the container with the creases facing up on a higher surface to make assembly easier. Place the side tabs together 2 by 2, folding the closing tabs over the sides and fitting them in the slots at the bottom. Do the same with the box lid. Now take the octagonal case and stand it upright, pushing the walls outward so that the bottom fits in the base and the creased part of the wall is aligned with the holes in the base. Turn the container over on the pallet so that the nozzle is facing one of the pallet sides that allows forklift access. Filling. The 1,000-liter recyclable container can accommodate many filling situations. Observe the following two situations. Filling with the upper nozzle suspended. Place the plastic bag inside the container. Make sure the plastic bag sits with the lower nozzle properly fitted in the opening at the container's base and the folds are correctly positioned. The container is now ready for filling through the upper nozzle. During the filling, keep the edges of the plastic bag suspended and lined up properly. Towards the end of the filling process, remove air from the plastic bag, pushing the edges downward. At the end of the operation, remove any excess air and manually close off the opening. Filling using the upper nozzle at ground level. This operation is recommended for very foamy products. With the plastic bag supported by the box, attach the quick connect coupling. Properly position the bag at the bottom of the box and begin filling. Closing. After correctly placing the lid on the container, proceed with the strapping at 3 points. At the lower part, at 1/3 of the height of the packaging, and at the lid, next, use the strapping to secure the box to the pallet. Moving. The container must not be tipped when moving. It must always be kept level. Storage. It is possible to stack the containers only to a height of 2, but no more than this. Transportation. In order to transport the 1,000-liter recyclable container in open vehicles, this plastic covering must be used for better protection against rain. However, the use of these covers does not eliminate the need for a tarp over the entire cargo. The cargo needs to be secured firmly in order to not move during transport. When the cargo area is not completely filled, it is important for the containers to be placed over the axles or between the axles and the cab, making sure they are firmly secured. When there is a partial load, do not place the containers at the very back end of the truck, because there is more vibration at this point. It is not recommended to stack the boxes for transportation in open trucks. Stacking is allowed only for transportation in closed box trucks, cider or ocean containers. Also important, avoid transporting the containers together with sharp objects. Emptying. Before you begin emptying the container, make sure that you have on hand the specific valve for emptying at your company. Emptying using the lower opening. First, remove the seal from the cardboard. Next, remove the seal from the plastic bag. Attach the opener to the valve. Make sure the valve is closed in order to avoid spilling the product. Now completely screw the valve to the nozzle of the plastic bag. The emptying can be done by gravity or by pumping using the Quick Connect attachment. The plastic bag's upper nozzle is another option that can be used to empty the container. Sample collection can also be done through this point. Container disposal. The corrugated container and the plastic bag must be used only one time and then disposed of. In the case of chemical product transportation, the plastic bag must be disposed of following the guidelines stipulated by the product's manufacturer and in accordance with environmental regulations. By following these recommendations, the efficiency of this container system is assured. For additional information, or if you have any questions, please contact us.